In the world of academia, Yale University stands as a revered sentinel of knowledge and wisdom. With its roots anchored deep into the American soil, this illustrious institution was founded in the year 1701, making it the third oldest institution of higher education in the United States. Over its more than 3 centuries of existence, Yale has nurtured an unwavering reputation for excellence, consistently ranking among the top universities globally. Emerging from this bastion of learning, Yale graduates are known to carve out successful paths across a myriad of fields. Rather than focusing on traditional placement services, Yale primes its students with a comprehensive education and robust critical thinking skills, tools that prove invaluable in any professional setting. Yale graduates have made their mark in a wide array of fields, from finance, consulting, technology and healthcare to law, academia, public service and the arts. They often secure positions with leading employers, contributing their skills and knowledge to the growth and development of various industries. The esteemed Yale Law School, a beacon in the legal world, has been the cradle of countless legal luminaries. Similarly, the Yale School of Management has been instrumental in shaping business leaders and entrepreneurs who have made significant strides in their respective industries. Yale Law School, founded in 1824, is one of the oldest and most prestigious law schools in the United States. It has a rich history of producing top-notch lawyers and judges who have had a profound impact on the legal landscape. The Yale School of Management, on the other hand, is a relatively newer addition to the Yale University campus. Established in 1976, it has quickly gained a reputation for its innovative approach to business education. Both schools share a commitment to excellence and a dedication to producing leaders who will make a positive difference in the world. They provide their students with a rigorous academic curriculum, access to top-notch faculty, and a supportive community that fosters growth and development. In addition to their academic programs, both schools offer a wide range of extracurricular activities and opportunities for students to engage with the broader Yale community. Yale Law School and the Yale School of Management are not only institutions of higher learning, but also hubs of intellectual discourse and collaboration. They bring together students from diverse backgrounds and perspectives, creating a vibrant and dynamic learning environment. Whether you aspire to be a lawyer or a business leader, Yale Law School and the Yale School of Management offer unparalleled opportunities for growth and success. They are truly institutions that shape the leaders of tomorrow. Yale's commitment to fostering entrepreneurship and innovation is evident in the success of its graduates, who have founded startups and made substantial contributions to the tech industry. A significant number of Yale graduates also choose to pursue advanced degrees, reflecting the university's emphasis on research and academic excellence. Yale's graduates also make a global impact, taking up roles in international organizations, NGOs and companies with a global reach. Public service is another area where Yale graduates shine, owing to the university's commitment to this sector. The arts and humanities are not left untouched, with graduates contributing significantly to the cultural landscape. A crucial part of the Yale experience is the extensive alumni network that provides valuable connections, mentorship opportunities, and potential for collaboration. This network often plays a pivotal role in the career advancement of Yale graduates. In conclusion, while Yale University does not operate a centralized career placement office, its reputation, academic rigor, and robust alumni network significantly contribute to the success of its graduates across various professional arenas. This video has shed light on the diverse career paths undertaken by Yale graduates, the top-tier employers they work with, and the significant contributions they make across various fields. Yale University, in its pursuit of academic excellence, continues to produce global leaders who shape the world in myriad ways.